Hello skaters, today we are going to look at double three turns, the beginner stage. Before you start working on double three turns, make sure you have already mastered your basic three turns, forward, backward, inside and outside. You can find step-by-step tutorials for all the basic three turns in my Figure Skating Foundations course on my website styleskating.com. This course includes 100 videos from your very first steps on the ice to more advanced skating skills, single jumps, and basic spins. Click the link above or look in the description below for more information and sign up today to learn your basic skills the proper way and avoid the most common mistakes. The very first stage of learning three turns starts with your free leg bent, turned out and pointed, keeping it close to your skating leg for better balance and control. As you improve your three turns, you can start practicing them with your free leg extended, either behind you or in front, depending on your comfort and balance. Let's start working on double three turns from a standstill position. Begin with a forward outside and backward inside three turns. Before the three turn, make sure your weight is over your back leg, twist your upper body to the outside of the circle, line up your arms, and look in the direction of your movement. Before the push, bend your knees and ankles, then push from your right foot, shifting your weight onto the left forward outside edge. Bring your free leg close to your skating leg, turn out and point it, then rotate your upper body into the circle and execute the forward outside three turn, gliding afterward on a backward inside edge. As you prepare for the second three turn, make sure your arms move closer to your hips while you rotate your upper body to the outside of the circle. Keep your hips going straight backward and your skating knee slightly bent. After completing backward inside three turn, glide on the forward outside edge, holding your upper body slightly turned outside of the circle. Then prepare for the next circle, bend your knees and ankles, and push into the right foot, gliding on the forward outside edge with your free leg close to your skating leg and your upper body rotated into the circle. Perform the forward outside three turn and glide on backward inside edge, bringing your arms closer to your hips for better control. Rotate your body to the outside of the circle and complete the backward inside three turn. Check your shoulders on the exit, then move your arms through once more to start from the left foot. As you practice, try to keep your upper body vertical, arms steady, and knees and ankles soft, moving in gentle down, up, down rhythm through the three turns. Next, we are going to do forward inside to backward outside double three turns. Start from a standstill position, pushing onto your right forward inside edge. Rotate your upper body into the circle and bring your free leg close to your skating leg during the turn. Remember, when you are doing forward inside three turns, your upper body should rotate into the circle before the turn. While gliding on the backward outside edge and preparing for the second turn, start twisting your upper body to the outside of the circle. Change your feet on the axis and complete the double three turn from the other foot. Pay attention to keeping your hips over your skating leg, your shoulders leveled, and your eyes looking in the direction of movement. Avoid excessive arm movement, instead focus on the work of your knees and ankles. Check your shoulders and hips before and after each turn to maintain control and alignment. Next, we are going to work on the backward outside to forward inside double three turns. Start with a 1 foot swivel push, just like you would for backward crossovers. Then bring your feet closer together and keep your free leg behind you. Rotate your upper body to the outside of the circle and execute the backward outside three turn. Exit with control on the forward inside edge, rotating your upper body into the circle. Continue with the forward inside three turn, and on the axis, push with a 1 foot swivel into the other foot and complete the second circle, this time performing the backward outside and forward inside 3-turn on the left foot. As you can see, in this first stage of learning double 3-turns, the free leg stays close to the skating leg for better balance and control. Keep your arms stretched to the sides and your upper body as still as possible throughout the turns. Next, let's work on the backward inside to forward outside double 3-turn. Start with a 1-foot swivel push into a backward inside edge. Rotate your upper body to the outside of the circle, bringing your free leg close to your skating leg. Line up your arms and look in the direction of your movement. Execute the backward inside 3-turn, making sure not to over-rotate your hips, so you can glide smoothly on the forward outside edge before the second turn. Then perform the forward outside 3-turn as the second part of the double 3. After that, push on the axis to switch feet and continue with the other foot on the backward inside and forward outside 3-turn. To continue working on double 3-turns and progress to the more advanced second and third stages, join my YouTube membership. In those exclusive lessons, you will learn double 3-turns with a variety of free leg positions, arm movements, and upper body coordination. This advanced video is available exclusively for Gold members. Click the link above or check the description below and join today to take your skating skills to the next level. Today we have covered beginner stage of double 3-turns, from forward outside to backward inside, forward inside to backward outside to forward inside, and backward inside to forward outside. Remember to keep your hips over your skating leg, arms steady, and knees and ankles soft throughout each turn. Practice slowly at first, focusing on control, balance, and proper edge use before increasing your speed. Consistency and attention to detail will make these turns smooth and strong. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new today, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Check out my playlists, where you can find videos for various levels of skating skills, jumps and spins tutorials, and a variety of videos for off-the-ice training for figure skaters. Thank you for watching, keep practicing, stay focused and have fun. I'll see you next time.